Hello everyone. So we will see the experiment, that is to study the Kelvin double bridge for low resistance measurement. So we will perform this experiment by using virtual lab. So in virtual lab, after clicking the electronics and communication tab, so you will see these different subjects. Under that, there is one lab, that is analog signals network and measurement lab. So in that, you will see the list of experiment. In this experiment, the theory of this experiment is given, that is objective, circuit diagram, and related equations are given. So here objective is Kelvin's double bridge may be used for precision measurement of 4-terminal low resistances. 4-terminal resistors have 2 current leading terminals and 2 potential terminals across which the resistance equals the marked nominal value. This is because the current must enter and leave the resistor in a fashion that there is a same or equivalent distribution of current density between the particular equipotent surfaces used to define the resistors. The additional points also eliminated any contact resistance at the current lead interval. So this is the objective. Circuit diagram is also shown here for measurement of low resistance by using Kelvin double bridge. In next step, procedure is given how to perform this experiment. So in that, first we have to connect the circuit, then set the values of resistances, then operation of key, that is K, then again variation of resistances. So these few steps are given. We will see in simulator. To perform this experiment on a system, this is the minimum system requirement. In that, standard PC running Microsoft Windows, XP or Windows Vista. The RAM details are given. Screen resolution is also given. Okay. So now we will open the simulator. Here also prerequisite is given, that is to perform this experiment, this type of system is requirement. So we will open the simulator. Now we will perform this experiment as per the procedure. So in the procedure, first step is set the voltage 12 volt. Okay. So here you can see voltage is already given, that is 12 volt, and switch on the board. Okay. So here switch is given, so we will switch on the supply. Keep switch as in short mode. So here switch as is given and it is already in short mode. Then adjust the rheostat RS. So we have to adjust this resistance RS. Next, set switch S to open mode. Here. we have selected RS as a 6 because we have to maintain the current like 2 ampere, 3 ampere in the circuit. So here you can see the current, that is 2 ampere. So RS is 6 ohm. Now set the switch S to open mode. So here switch S I will select as open. Then set low resistance S within 0.001 to 0.01. Okay, from set the unknown resistance S box. So here that box is given, set the unknown resistance S. So we have to set this resistance S resistance ranging from 0.001 to 0.01. So we will set this resistance. Okay, now this is 0.001. Now next is set switch S to bridge mode. Switch S is bridge mode and switch K to open mode. Okay, switch K is already in open mode. Now we have to vary the value of RA, RB, RA and RB from the control box given below. And here we have to set the values in such a way that to get a zero deflection on millivoltmeter pointer. So here millivoltmeter is given and here value is 0.00024. So we will set the values by using this control box. So it is 0.06 like that. So I will set this value. So now here we have set this value of different resistances in such a way that here we are getting zero deflection on millivoltmeter point. The next step is set switch K to close mode. Switch K to close mode and again vary the values to get a zero deflection. Now again I am setting this value to set the value. Now here we are getting approximately zero deflection in this millivoltmeter. And now if null is achieved, click on calculate unknown resistance value box to observe the calculated value of unknown resistance S. So now here we have to click on this calculate button. So here we are getting the value of unknown resistance, that is 0.00113. So in this way we have performed this experiment of low resistance measurement by using Kelvin double base with the help of virtual lab. So in the same way, you can perform and you can calculate the unknown resistance value. Thank you for watching this video.